The Hummer H2 stands out as a flashy vehicle, yet its practical deficiencies, such as a limited bed size and unreliable features, cannot be overlooked. Buyers must carefully weigh these limitations against their needs before committing to a purchase. Reliability issues plague the Hummer H2, with frequent electronic malfunctions and high maintenance costs that can significantly strain owners' finances. These factors can deter potential buyers and impact long-term ownership. While the 2016 Ram 1500 presents an attractive option, it carries a troubling history of recalls impacting crucial components. Prospective buyers should engage in comprehensive research to understand these recalls and make informed decisions. Among the common grievances of Ram 1500 owners are engine issues, notably the lifter tick, which can lead to expensive repairs and possible engine failures over time. Addressing these concerns is vital for potential buyers. Additionally, the interior quality of the Ram 1500 is often criticized, with reports of sagging seats and worn upholstery. Such shortcomings detract from the overall ownership experience for many drivers. Although the Ram 1500 provides decent comfort and towing capabilities, the prevalence of recalls and mechanical issues diminishes its appeal for prospective buyers considering reliability. The Chevrolet SSR faces scrutiny for its design and performance flaws, casting doubt on its functionality as a pickup truck. It often struggles with everyday tasks like commuting and hauling. When compared to other classic and contemporary trucks, the SSR's distinctive styling cannot overcome its reliability and versatility shortfalls, leading many to view it as a missed opportunity in the market. The Ford F-250 featuring a 6.4-liter diesel engine exemplifies how early emissions technologies can hinder both performance and reliability, positioning it as a questionable choice for used truck buyers. The Dodge Ram Daytona boasts an eye-catching design. However, impractical features like a permanent spoiler limit its everyday functionality. This model seems to prioritize style over practical utility. Despite its robust Hemi 8-cylinder engine, the Dodge Ram Daytona grapples with reliability concerns, often resulting in mechanical failures and steep repair costs. This performance does not sufficiently mitigate its drawbacks. The Mercedes X-Class seeks to blend luxury with utility, targeting high-end brand enthusiasts. Yet, a closer look reveals that it may fall short of fulfilling the practical needs typically associated with the truck. Sharing its platform with the Nissan Navara, which does not enjoy a strong reputation as a top-tier pickup, raises questions about the X-Class's value for money compared to its competitors in the market. Moreover, the X-Class faces significant design and market positioning challenges, particularly given the rarity of luxury pickups in European markets. This discrepancy creates ambiguity surrounding its intended audience and practical use. Similarly, the Honda Ridgeline struggles to fulfill standard pickup expectations. Its unibody design compromises ruggedness, making it less adept at handling heavy-duty tasks that many buyers seek.